About how high the interest rates are and how high they are and how high they're going and everything else. One of the things we're doing here to battle that stuff, guys, we've shared it before, obviously here sharing it again, is the buy downs, guys. You can go ahead and take, this is the thing you got to remember, right now is the time to take advantage of the home prices. Once the interest rates drop, it's going to go bananas again. People are going to start overbidding on properties. The estimation is that the values are going to go up 100 grand. So if you want to go ahead and avoid that, paying 100 grand for a property you can buy now, and just tough out the payments. And I'm gonna go over some payments right now, okay? Some scenarios. They're not exact, okay? It's gonna give you a good idea, okay, of where you're at and where it will be when rates drop. When they drop. We're projecting that it might drop next year, the following year. We don't know exactly, but one of the things we do know is that as time progresses, property values continue to go up, and once the rate drop hits, they're definitely going to go up, okay? They're not going to drop, guys. They're not going to go down. No one's going to lose a home that they're paying 2% rate on, guys, okay? So average purchase price, let's just use that as a suggestion, okay? We're looking at an average purchase price of $500,000, about $4,000 a month, and that includes everything, okay? This is with a 5% down on a conventional. Now with the buy down, you can take that $4 grand a month and make it $3 grand a month, okay? For the first year, your payment will be about $3,000 a month, everything included. Second year, payment will be about $3,400 a month, still super cheap versus our current market, right? And so on, guys. And you figure by second year, rates drop, you refinance, you lock yourself in on a permanent rate, and you won. I hope this helps. Have a fantastic day and week.